Hello guys, welcome to Jamie Tech. In today's video, I will show you the use of CupertinoDateTextBox for iOS. Before everything, I want to show you the demo. Here, you can check it out. Here it's so beautiful. You can see it. So I'm going to code for it. Before going to the code, we need to do the following steps, right? CupertinoDateTextBox. This, you have to import these packages into your pubspec.yaml and Cupertino radio choice this one, and then we will go ahead with that. Okay, the first step I'm going with is here. So we added the packages, you can see, and then we need to go to just to the main.dart, and here we are. And in here we have added the following things, so do not forget this one is too important, very important. You will have trouble if you haven't imported this. So we are going to have a stateful widget, and my app would be here, so go ahead, and here I'm going to have some, I'm going to have a material. So material, home, and scaffold. In scaffold we have a body, and in body we have something like the Cupertino. Before everything, just you need to wrap this with safe area so that it appear in the correct place. So here I'm going to have Cupertino data text box, right? So it has some following properties. You can see here we have the initial value and here we have the onDateChange, and here we have the hintText. So I'm going to do one by one. First of all, I'm going here to create one variable, so I'm going to do it right here in this here. Okay, so I'm going to have one data type, the time, this one, right? So I'm going to do anything selected time, right? Selected time. Okay, and I'm going to initialize it. Okay, dot now. So it consists the current time, and then we have one method with unchanged data, unchanged data. It should be a little bit different. We have another DateTime data type, and here we have one onDate. Okay, so here we have set state, and here I'm going to assign the onDate to the selected time. Okay, onDate. So we done it, and here, so we have the initial value is selected time, and here on DateChange we have on change. This is, we have one method. So, and here we have something like, it's important, the hintText, and here we have to initialize this thing, right? String formatted, we are going to assign the current, here I'm a bit, I copied pasted, but you have to be careful with this. So I'm going to have a formatted, that's everything for that. So easy. So let me show you. So we have one error. The error is here. Okay, so we have no error, and we are going to go to the step-by-step process. To avoid any kind of error, kindly add the library at the top of your main.dart or in the file where you are implementing the the things, right? And then the step 3 is add then this following, ignore this one, and these all packages are needed. Okay, and then fourth step, you can use Cupertino.text like this, Cupertino this and this, the initial value on that change, this callback is done when you tap on the when you change the date, right? So here's the explanation. You can see explanation. First, initial value specify that the date which shall be displayed initially by text box. Okay, and second, you can use onDateChange to pass a callback function to the widget, right? So this is easy to pass a callback right there to change, to trigger what's changed or not. And here this function will be called if the user selects another dat, right? That's easy. Finally, hintText specify the text which shall be displayed if no initial value is given. Okay, that's cool. For more information, change the color, hintText, something like that, you can visit this link. So for now, I'm going to check this out. Okay, have a little bit review. So we have one my app extend, this one stateful widget, and here we have one DateTime, the data type which hold the current date, and here we have one unchanged date, method to trigger what's changed or not. And here below we have material safe area scaffold. Then we are going to have in body CupertinoDateTextBox, and it has also done. Let me check it out. Okay, go ahead, just wait for it. Okay, it's done. Let's see. Yeah, a little bit, maybe. Oh, that's cool. The current data is 7 in 2021. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, current, I'm going to say that my birthday, I can say that April. Yeah, this one is okay, 1995. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe as well as just share with your friends.